In this video, I'll show you how you can create a YouTube thumbnail with Canva. I'll also give you some tips and tricks on creating a better thumbnail that more people click on, so you can get more views on YouTube. So this video will be using Canva free. None of the tools that I show you in this video will be on the paid version of Canva. So what you need to do is go to canva.com if you haven't already and create your free account. What you can do then is you can type in YouTube thumbnail on the search bar, and if you go to suggested templates and click see all, it will then show you all of these thumbnail templates that you can edit. Now a quick tip, if you're using the free version of Canva, go to all filters, scroll down, click free, and now it will show you all of the thumbnail templates that you can use with the free version. This just helps you filter out all of the paid ones that are no good to you. So what we can do now is we can go ahead and look through these via a category. So if you go to category, you can look through these and find your niche. Although there aren't too many niches here, and it's probably better to look through them manually. Now obviously each niche will have different thumbnail needs, but as you can see by most of them, a lot of them have images of people's faces on them. That's because humans are drawn to people's eyes. So if you have a big face, people are drawn to that and they're more likely to click on your thumbnail. So go ahead and choose a template. I will just choose a random one here. We will go ahead and choose this one. So what I'll do is I'll show you how you can customize this template here. I'll also give you a website which is going to allow you to enter in your thumbnail and title and then see how your thumbnail will look at the different elements and sizes of YouTube, as well as see how your thumbnail will look in dark mode as well. So let me show you how to do this. So once you've chosen your template, you can go ahead and delete any of these unnecessarily small text. So delete that, delete any website links, delete any subscribe buttons. We want the text to just be what the video is about. So let's say in this example, I'm creating a thumbnail for how to make money online. So you could go ahead and keep the image from Canva, or you can go to a website like pexels.com and you can go ahead and find an image which you want to add. Now I'm going to use this guy here, and pexels.com, by the way, allows you to download royalty-free images. I'm going to download this image and we're going to remove the background and then add his image. Now if I was using Canva Pro, I would be able to import this to Canva and remove the background in Canva. Because I'm not though, I'm going to have to use a background remover. So if I go to Google and type in background removal, we can then go to one of these like remove.bg and upload the image. Now you have to make some sacrifices when you're using free tools. So you can see you can download in HD, but you're going to have to enter in your email, and I think you get like a trial image. But I'm just going to download in less quality so we can get through this tutorial. So now let's go ahead and upload our image to Canva. So we can delete any existing elements or literally anything by clicking on it and then clicking delete on the keyboard. If we wanted to upload media, we go to uploads. We can go to upload files. Then you can go ahead and choose the file you want to upload. So I'll just choose this guy's face, right? Then all of your images will always be here. So you can upload whatever you need. Then you can drag on your image and we're going to click on it and resize this. Now if it snaps into any lines, just undo and delete any necessary lines that you need to delete. We're going to move this over here though, I think, and make the face a little bit bigger. Okay, so that is looking good. We're going to roll with that. Now I'm going to delete this red shape and we're going to focus on the text. Now if you need any logos, you can go ahead and upload them. Or if you go to elements, let's say you need like an Instagram logo or like a money icon, you can type in money, and if you go to graphics, you can use some of their graphics. Some of these are only available for the pro version. We'll use this one actually. Then we can change the text. So if you click on the text and double click on it, you can edit this. So how to make money online, delete any unnecessary text, and you can resize this. You can also create multiple text boxes. So if you go to text, you can add a heading, you can add all of these different texts here. So we'll just click on heading and I'll just write here, full guide. Obviously make something which looks good and is on brand. You can also highlight the text and change the color as well as the font, the size, and add any text effects here. So I've just played around with this thumbnail for a little bit. Obviously it's not the best thumbnail, but you get the point. So once you've created your thumbnail, what I would do is zoom out just to make sure that it's visible for people who are browsing on phone. If it is and your thumbnail is good to go to share in the top right, go ahead and click download and download as a PNG, and that will obviously download your thumbnail. You can now go to this next website, which is a bonus called thumbsup.tv. Here you can go ahead and drag in your thumbnail template, and if you enter in your title, it will show you what your thumbnail looks like. And you can view it on different devices and different places on YouTube. But that's how you can create a YouTube thumbnail. I hope that quick video did help you out.